Get married, they said. It will be fun, they said.
Yep, this right here, classic nasal collapse. Loud snoring, mouth breathing, barely getting any oxygen. This isn't just annoying, it's wrecking your sleep, your energy, and probably your relationship too. Here's the fix. Magnetic nasal dilators. They gently pull open your airways so you can actually breathe at night. No strips peeling off, no mouth tape, just results. I recommend these to patients who are tired of waking up tired. Trust me, try this, and you might finally sleep like you mean it. Links in the bio. Breathe better tonight.